iREP Security Incident Report. Launch the iREP Security application, and log in by scanning the PLRD license card, or the iREP access card on the back of the device. Click on Incident Report, and scan the nearest checkpoint where the incident has taken place. In this example, let's say that a motorcyclist collided into the car park arm barrier. When you press Start, specify the incident type with 4 options to choose from. Namely Incident, Occurrence, E-Occurrence and Facilities. Next, you are prompted to indicate the subject and severity from a list. The subjects are non-comprehensive, it can be edited to your needs. Lastly, the time of occurrence. In this report, we have the who, what, when, where, and how stated clearly. Enter a brief description of incident under what, and some details under remarks. We can also take pictures of the incident and identification of involved parties. Indicate urgent under checklist to alert the management. Go back to details and point out any security implications. Also, document any after-action reviews. Press Send, and this report would be sent to the management instantly. Welcome to the next part of the video where management will check reports using iREPPro.com. Log in with assigned company ID, user ID, and password. From the main dashboard, select Reports. Here's the report we submitted earlier. Subject, submission time, and GPS location are clearly shown here along with other details. Management can add more information from officers by editing the report here. Attach up to 5 megabytes of files, add in additional remarks and photographs. After saving, view the report by clicking on the report ID and you can see that the changes are reflected immediately. This report can be printed or exported into PDF format for insurance claims or other procedures. Thank you for watching. That is all for iREP Security Incident Report.